go. This is crazy. Oh boy. That's what I'm talking about.
Number 15. Gives you an advantage versus right handed. Oh yeah, I got it.
Oh man, the mascot is crazy. 3 outs and we go home. Come on, one more out, we win. See? Please. Oh, okay. They just scored. I'm out. Great. Gosh, there's no way. Got 2 RBIs. Great. Alright. Oh, come on. Oh! Foul, foul. Dang it. Oh, come on. Gave up another run. Alright. Last chance. No! Oh.
Hey, good luck rest of the way, fellas. Good luck rest of the way. Hey, good luck to you fellas rest of the season, man. Hey, get your ass to the big league, boys. Get to the big leagues.
Well, they lost 4-1. Had to lead the whole game, and they just let up too many runs. So, see ya.